So hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about SEO and SEM, what is the difference between them and why are these both necessary. So before we start detailed strategies on SEO, first we need to understand difference between SEO, search engine optimization, and SEM, search engine marketing. So SEO refers to the organic traffic, means organic traffic refers to the people visiting your website through search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. So this is not a paid ad traffic. Like I am giving you an example here. This is a SEO'd website, keyword optimized or search engine optimized website, and this is also SEO'd website. These all are SEO websites, but this is not an SEO website because you can see here clearly ad. So now we will discuss about SEM, search engine marketing. So this is known as search engine marketing. This means paid ad traffic. This refers to the people visiting your website via ads or paid campaigns like Google AdWords, Facebook paid ads. So if someone asks me that what is the difference between SEO and SEM, then I can clearly tell him that SEM is the paid traffic and SEO is the organic traffic. And if someone asks me that which one is the better, so I can say that SEO is far better than SEM, because in SEM you have to pay for per click, whether the person buys from you or not, you have to pay for per click, but SEO is completely free. But if you want to instantly rank your website, means if you want instantly to increase your visitors, then you have to do SEM, because SEO takes time. It depends on the competitor which and the competitive niche which you are competing in. It depends on that. It may take, if you are in a competitive field, it may take 1 or 2 years for your website or your blog to rank. So I must say that SEO is the best one, and in this course we are going to learn about SEO only, because search engine marketing costs money and lot of money would be wasted. So people who do cost SEM, means search engine marketing, they have a lot of money, or their company is multi-million-dollar company, so that's why they do SEM. For small blogs and small websites, SEO is the best one, and in this course we are just going to discuss the same thing. So meet you in the next video in which we will discuss about SERP. So okay, so that's all for today.